Welcome to Lingua Latina Chapter 9, Lesson 2. Let's read the Latin here at Section 2, which starts at line 39. You can see the Roman numeral 2 here. Dum pastor in herba dormit, ovis nigra ab ovibus albis abit, et ad rivum currit. Ovis nigra, ovis albas relinquit, et rivum petit. Aquam bibit, e rivo, et in silvam intrat. Canis latrat. Bau, bau. Pastor oculos aperit, oves aspicit, ovem nigram non videt. Pastor oves numerat, una, duae, tres, quattuor, quinque, undecentum. Numerus ovium est undecentum. Non centum. Nullae oves albae absunt, sed ab est ovis nigra. Pastor et canis oves albes relinquunt, et silvam petunt. Pastor saccum cum pane in colle relinquit. Alright, so practice that on your own, and let's go back and translate here. We have, okay, dum pastor, while the shepherd, dum means while the shepherd sleeps in the grass, the black sheep leaves the white sheep and runs to the stream. The black sheep leaves behind the white sheep and seeks the stream. He drinks the water from the stream, and he enters into the woods. Okay, in the margin notes here we see that pastor in umbra jacet, so we can see him here. It's hard to see a little bit, but the shepherd is lying in the shade. And we have ovis albas relinquit. It means the same as ab ovibus albis abit. It means the same as ab plus the form of to go, it, o, ira. So he goes away from his white sheep is the same as relinquit. He goes away from his white sheep. But when you leave behind, you have the accusative is the same as with ab plus ovibus albis. Also note here we have ovis nigra, the feminine form of the adjective with the feminine sheep, ovis. And let's go on to the next section. The dog barks. Bow wow. The Latin transcription of the sound of a dog was bow bow, not bow wow like we use. The shepherd opens his eyes, aperit opens, and he sees his sheep, and he doesn't see his black sheep. The shepherd counts his sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 99. He counts, notice that it's una duae, not unus duo, and that's because he's counting feminine things. He's counting the sheep, which are una duae, have the feminine endings. Okay, the number of the sheep, this is genitive plural of sheep, ovis, in the plural is oves, ovium, because it's I stem. The number of the sheep is 99, not 100. No white sheeps are gone, but the black sheep is gone. Abest. The shepherd and the dog leave behind the white sheep and go after, or head toward, petunt, the woods. The shepherd leaves behind his sack with the bread on the hill. So he leaves, on the hill he leaves his sack with bread. Okay, so now go back and let's reread some part of this with understanding in Latin. We'll just do the first part. Okay, here we go. Dum pastor in herba dormit, ovis nigra ab ovibus albis abit, et ad rivum currit. Ovis nigra, ovis albas relinquit, et rivum petit. Aquam bibit, e rivo, et in silvam intrat. Okay, I did want to point out that rivum, rivus is the same word as fluvius, but it's just a smaller version, so a stream instead of a river. So buona fortuna with this section.